As the owner or administrator of your website, you have the ability to customize how your company is presented across your site. By filling out your company information, you can effortlessly keep key details up to date across the website. Your company details will automatically populate important areas such as headers, footers, and other relevant sections of your website. This information will also be used in site features like newsletters and automated emails. To begin customizing your site, simply click on Company in the sidebar. Any edits you make here will be reflected everywhere the information appears, streamlining the process of maintaining accurate and up-to-date company details across your entire website. The tab that first opens is Basic Info. Here you will enter in the company name, NMLS, Fannie Mae ID and name, and time zone. In the Contact tab, this is where you will enter in the contact information for the company. This includes the company phone number, fax, and toll-free, along with a basic company email. Right below the phone information is where you will enter the company address. The Licensing tab is for adding the states where your company is licensed. To do this, click on Select State for the company. Select the state or states where the company is licensed, and click Save. The favicon tab is where you will add a picture that will be associated with your website. It will appear in places like the Browser tab. The social share image is for the picture that will show up when the company website is shared on social media. Next, Customer Relationship Management, or CRM and Newsletter, is where you can select if you would like to send a newsletter that is created by e-traffickers to prospects. There is also an optional email disclosure that can be written to have at the end of every email sent to your subscribers and borrowers. Integrations is where you can connect a third-party cloud storage to create a backup of all borrower documents. If you would like more information on this, look in the video description. If you would like to use Zapier, you can create your API key here. In the Announcements tab is where you will be able to write and post announcements to other users of the website within your company. These will appear on the dashboard. Finally, the Authentication tab is where you can set the security level for the multi-factor authentication, high, medium, or low. After filling out this information, you'll be ready for the next step of adding locations. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.